Here we go in 3, 2, 1, it's feeding time! Alright, our animal keeper, our crocodile wrangler is now inside feeding those huge, hungry, swarming crocodile. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know crocodiles can run 28 kilometers per hour on the land? They cannot outrun humans. Hindi po tayo kaya ng mga buhaya pag ako lang po yung pag-uusapan sa lupa. Okay, pag nasa tubig naman, napakabilis po ng mga crocodile. They can run as much as 18 miles per hour in a short bursts. Kaya pag-ahabulin daw kayo sa tubig, ang dagdala po. Right, and as you hear our crocodile wrangler, he is calling the crocodile on their name. Kasi po sa dami nila at magkakasindahin. Ako, napakahirap bigyan po sila. Tingin isang pangalan. Let's have our crocodile wrangler calling the crocodiles. Come on! Yung po yung tawag namin sa mga buhaya. Huwag kong gamitin sa bahay, walang crocodile doon. Don't tell. Okay, huling round na po tayo, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Kasama ang angas ng Pasay, si Kuya Mau. Wala si Kuya. Hali! Okay, mahalaman po namin yan kayo mag-ingat kaya Kuya Mau. Huwag kang mahulog. Okay, there you go. Last round. When our crocodile wrangler, palakang po natin si Kuya Mau. That was our crocodile feeding. Now, moving on is your next show, Crocodile Dance.